Hi guys! Welcome to Bestfriend'S Kitchen! If you are new to our channel, please subscribe so you will get updated for our future videos.
Today, we're going to show you how to make Pancit Palabok. So here are the ingredients for this recipe. Tara, simulan natin! Una, isutay lang natin ang onion at ang garlic. Kapag naging translucent na yung onion natin, i-add lang natin yung ground pork. After that, maglagay lang tayo ng 1/2 cup ng water at lutuin natin yung ground pork hanggang sa mag-completely evaporate yung water. Kapag luto na yung ground pork, i-add lang natin yung tinapa flakes. Then, i-add na rin natin yung dinurog na chicharon. Kapag completely combined na ang lahat ng ingredients, mag-add lang tayo ng 1 piece ng shrimp broth cube at hayaan natin itong malusaw. Kapag properly cook na ang lahat ng ingredients, mag-reserve lang tayo ng 3/4 cup nito para sa toppings later. After that, i-add nyo na yung anato seed na sinok natin sa water kanina. I-make sure nyo lang na i-strain nyo yung mga buto. Next, mag-add lang kayo ng 5 cups of water. Lutuin nyo lang ito hanggang sa mag-simmer. Pagkatapos, i-season nyo lang ito with salt and pepper according sa panlasa nyo. Kapag mag-start na mag-simmer yung sauce natin, i-add nyo na yung palabok noodles. By the way guys, binabad nga pala namin yung palabok noodles sa water for 3 hours bago kami mag-start magluto. Haluin nyo lang itong mabuti hanggang sa ma-covered ng sauce ang lahat ng noodles. I-continue nyo lang yung pagluto hanggang sa ma-absorb ng noodles ang lahat ng sauce. At this stage, pwede nyo nang lagay yung spring onion at i-continue nyo lang yung paghalo. At ayan, luto na yung Pancit Palabok natin.
By the way guys, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. Just click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell.
At ngayon, pwede na tayo maglagay ng toppings. Una, ilagay nyo lang yung ground pork na ginisa natin at ni-reserve kanina. Next, ilagay nyo na rin yung tinapa flakes. After that, ilagay nyo rin yung crushed chicharon. Next ay yung fried garlic. Spring onions. Yung hard-boiled eggs. And lastly, ilagay nyo na rin yung kalamansi. Pwede kayong gumamit ng lemon kung hindi available yung kalamansi. And there you go! Our Pancit Palabok is now ready. We hope that you enjoyed this video and please give us a thumbs up. You can also comment down below if you want to request recipes that we can feature on our next vlogs. Pakishare rin ang video ito para everybody happy. Thank you so much for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys, till our next vlog.